Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube banner, and this banner will work on every device. So simply you can just come to Canva here and you will find some of the images. You can click on any one of the image and you can start it. And if you're unsure about the size, then you can do simply on the top left side corner you will find this create, and here you will find this option of YouTube thumbnail, YouTube landscape, and you can choose any one of this option. And if you talk about custom size, so here I'm going to use by 1920 by 1080p pixel. And this is the size we have right now, and this is our canvas. Now you can get your YouTube banner template. Just go to Google, search for YouTube banner template, and here you will find some of the images here, right? You can simply download this up and just take your image here, put it in the top right side corner and adjust the image, right? So that you can get this exact size here. Now I'm just going to crop this image like this, and I'm going to lock it and let it be in its position. Now here you can see this is dark shade. The dark shade is basically this is the entire space which is visible in your mobile phone, right? And if you want to check whether if I put any image or text here in the outer area, so is it going to show up in the mobile? Actually it's no. So for the mobile specific, you have to make sure that it should be available only in the darker space area, and this area is for desktop. Next thing I'm going to do is I will go to the element section, and here you can find this shape. So I'm just going to choose the shape here, and now I'm going to choose the color which I want. So this is the color which I want here. I will adjust it exactly into this and make sure that it is the same size of it. So as you can see here, it is exactly the same size. Now I'm going to select this backend and I will just unlock it, and I will completely remove this, and I will adjust this entire size. Let me change the color so that it is much more visible to you guys. Now we are just going to make it much more better. So here in the element section, I'm going to search for fade, and here in the graphics you will find basically this one. I'm going to tilt it, and I'm just going to make it slightly bigger and put it in the center here, and in the transparency I will just reduce it. So as you can see here, it gives slightly metallic feel. And now I'm going to just lock this entire thing. The next thing, you have to just go to the element section, and here I'm going to search for circle. Basically I want circle frame here, and I will just bring this circle frame to exactly in the center, right? And here you have to put the image, whatever, whether it's a selfie or something else, you can add it here. Click and hold, and I would like to put it here. Double click on it and adjust it here, right? So as you can see here, this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to use a different image, which is basically this one. And now it's time to add the text. So let's go to the text section here, and I'm going to add two text here. So this is the first one, and I can just right click on it, copy it and paste it here, and the another one. And once you have added the text, you have to adjust this wherever you want. And now I want to change the font. So here select one of your text, and here you can see there's a lot of font here. So I would like to keep this one, and same for this one. Now here you can see that I have made this very minimal banner art here, but here just to check out whether this is correct or not, I'm going to do one more thing here. So first of all, we are going to take this image, and here we have to adjust this image here like this. Then you have to just go to the transparency and you have to take it lower, and now here you have to adjust this entire thing here, right? So here you can see that this was the exact size for the mobile, right? And as you can see here, text are going outside, so you have to bring it back, right, like this, so that it should be in this gray area, and you can just adjust it however you want. Right now, once you have done the adjustment and once you're done with it, just go to the share, and here I'm just going to the download. Make sure it is in PNG and download your banner art. And once done, this is how it's going to look like. Now you can upload it in your YouTube channel and it will fit in exactly how you want. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe.